Bila I tutup dia dandan dia start record. Okay, that's why we're going to learn it from very basic. We're going to start with our basic adder. So what is the purpose you learn all of this? Maybe you want to create a traffic light, or maybe you want to create the calculator, the 7 segment display. Kalau you nak tulis dua macam mana, which is what pin that you need to turn on or high or low, or maybe you want to make it as a 3 on the 7 segment display, how? Or maybe you want to create calculator to add, to subtract, and etc. You need to do all the combination of date with the function. So now we're going to look into the very basic adder. In basic adder, we have two. One is half adder, two is full adder. Half adder and full adder. And I hope that you still remember this table. Tengok dia tak continuous, kenapa I punya pen ni. 0 plus 0, it is 0. 0 plus 1, it is 1. 1 plus 0, it will be 1. 1 plus 1, it will be 1, 0. All of this is sum. This is carry. And when you have 1 plus 1 plus 1, it will have and become as 1, 1. 1 for the sum, 1 for the carry. Next, what you need to know on the half adder, full adder. Last time, if you have like this AND gate, apa yang you kena tahu? You need to know the truth table, you need to know the condition, you need to know the characteristic, you need to know the symbol about the gate, isn't it? For full and half adder, whatever like a comparator and so on, you need to know on the block diagram how the block look like. Ya Allah. When you draw the block, of course you know this is half adder. How many input it have? How many output it have? What is the input? What is the output? And is there any like carry output or carry input, or another one more things that much more important is inside here, inside the half adder, how does combination circuit look like? So all of that you need to remember. So let's take a look into first things on our half adder. For half adder, it accepts two binary digits on the input. So you know, okay, I have two inputs and produce two digits of output. Okay, you have two output with the name of sum and carry. For the input, normally it is depend on the variable. You know that input is normally on variable. You can also have these to be like X and Y, whatever variables you want to use. And for the output, it should be follow the similar thing here, which is you have the sum and carry with the symbol like this for the sum and C out for the carry. That is one important thing about our half adder. What else? You need to know that half adder only adding one bit number. So one bit number, if you have 2 bit, maybe you need to have another one and connect them together. I don't know how the connection look like. Later we will learn together how they will connect to each other. But what you need to know first is on half adder you have 2 input, 2 output, which is sum and carry, and another one you just can add one bit number. And what is inside here? What is the inside circuit combination for your half adder? Nanti I will go back to this part. So the truth table for our half adder is look like this. Of course, when you have 2 input, you're going to have to the power of 2, you have 4 possibilities only, 4 possibilities for the input. That's why you have 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. So this is the possibilities for you for the input. And how about the output? The output will be fixed following the circuit inside. Following the circuit inside. Without looking for this yet, let me check the output of our truth table for the half adder. Okay, let me see here. We have the output of carry out. Okay, carry out, I can see here we have this as a 1. Then our SOP will be A dot B equal to C out. This is our equation. Then we know our C out will be A and B. C out A dot B following the truth table given here. And now let's see what is the circuit for our sum. Our sum is having the SOP for this is A bar B, and another one we have here plus A, ya Allah, A B bar. So go back and check your module 1. Your module 1, if you have like this, what happened? This is get what? This is XO. This is XO gate when you have A and B. So that's why you have your A XO B. Okay, look back, your XO is going to be look like this truth table. Then you will have XO. So maybe you can, I will bring it above, okay, because there is no space there. Okay. So this is my sum. Then that's why I have, saya sedang tengah bersabar ini dengan pen. This is my half adder. I have 2 input. I have output of sum, I have output of carry. So, jangan tengok yang kodo ni, kita lihat yang ini is going to be A XOR with our B. So this is my sum. And I have another one, A and with my B. So this is my C out. So inside here, that's why we need to remember our half adder is construct by following circuit, which is sum equal to A XOR B and carry out is A dot B. It fix ya, dia tak ada tukar-tukar, tiba-tiba kat sini jadi O, sini jadi N. So you need to remember the circuit. And if you want to remember the output, also it's good for you. Okay, that is on half adder. For full adder, normally it's going to be two input and input carry. Means you have two input there and there is another input carry. All together, this is called as input. All together is called as input. But you can see that later on if you want to adding the bits or number, you will like using this from another carry out. Nanti I tunjuk. But for now, you can see here, you have 3 input for the full adder, but this one is called as carry in. The value normally will given only one, which is initial value for carry in, and input A and B will be given. Kenapa I cakap begitu? Dekat sini, if let's say you nak tambah satu digit nombor is okay. Maybe you have A equal to 1, B equal to 0. Kita nak tambah this number and we want to use our full adder with the scenario of our carry in is equal to 1, let's say. So I ada 1 full adder. I ada di sini, I terbalikkan ya. I ada di sini carry in. Carry in I adalah 1. So it will be like voltage. Tolong bersabar dengan saya punya pen ni. Equal to 1. This one is our A. This one is our B. And it will be my sum. It will be my carry out. Okay, my value of A is 1. My value for B is 0. My value for carry in is 1. So I'm going to add these 3. 1 plus 0 plus 1, I'm going to get 0 for the sum, 1 for the carry out. So, tang, just that. But in case I have another scenario, which is I have 2 digit, A equal to 1, 1, B equal to 1, 0. So this one will be A0. This one will be A1. Kalau you ada lagi, it's going to be A2, A3 and etc. So this part also similar. This is B0, this is B1, B2, B3, and so on. Okay, that is my input. But I have the condition I put here, okay lah, sama, which is my carry in is 1. It's depend on the situation and also the question. Sometimes give you 0, sometimes give you 1. Okay, now I have similar thing. But you can see here, this is supposedly my A and B. But now I have 2 bit. For this half adder, I cannot add 2 digit, isn't it? So I need to have another, this one is my full adder, sorry. I need to have another full adder beside. So I name it as full adder 0, full adder 1. So I have also my carry in, and then my B and my A. And here is my sum, is my carry out. Okay, similar kan? Picture dia sama. But you can see here, this is my B. The value will be B0. This will be my A0. Here will be my B1. Here will be my A1. Kalau you ada another 1 digit, you nak tambah another 1 digit, you going to have like B2, A2. So how about this carry in? This carry in, isn't it similar to this one? Sama ke tidak agak-agak? Carry in sama ke tak?
Lain.
What? 1. Sama. So our carry in, this carry in given is only for the initial value, the early for your full adder here. If you have another digit, this will be bring from your carry out. The value of your carry out will be a value for your next carry in. For the value of your carry out here will be your next carry in. The value of your carry out will be your next carry in. So here you're going to get only sum. Your last carry in will be your carry answer. And over here, let we try to see what is the answer. We have A0 is 1, B0 is 0. Going to add, we have 0 for sum, carry out is 1. So carry out will be here. We have A1 is 1, B1 is 1. We add it together. We will have 1 as the sum, carry out now is 1. So our final answer will be 110. From adding 11 plus 10. Kalau kita tambah biasa pun kita akan dapat. But this one in term of 1 plus, because there is a carry in, sorry. So you tambah lagi 1, you akan dapat di sini. So from here kita boleh tambah directly, but this full adder things is for you later on. You have several other digit. And okay, and in my class this morning, there is one student saying, "Doctor, what is the correlation with this circuit? Kenapa?" Mana circuit dia? Oh, full adder. Okay. Kenapa kita tak guna that circuit ni? Why we don't use this? But instead we just add the value there, which is 1 plus 1 and so on. If you try to put the value just now, if you have let's say 1, 0, 1. Carry in is 1, B is 0, A is 1. Contoh example. So here is A is 1, B is 0. Apa jawapan dia? 1 sini. 1 and 0 for XO. Check. And my C here is 1. So 1 and jawapan dia betul tak kat sini? XO. I dah lupa table XO. Apalah tak nak tolong. 1. Okay, here is mana tadi table? Okay, so dekat sini 1 plus 0 you're going to get 1. Here will be 1. My C will be 1 here. 1 and 1 will be 0. So your answer for your carry, for your sum is 0. So you can see when you directly add together, you will get 1, 0. Sum is 0, 1 is for carry. So let's take a look into our carry. Is it correct or not? So here we have 1. Here we have 1. Here is 1. This one is 0. This one is 1. We have 0 here. 1 plus 0, we will have 1. So my answer for C out is also 1. So it's correct. So you can try to do it by step, or you directly add using your block like this also can. That is the things on why you need to know, and that's why I say to you, you need to remember all the input and on the output. Okay, for your full adder, you have 3 input. That's why you have 8 possibilities. It will be 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, and etc. And the output will be having similar like this. You can try to derive this one by one like what I did just now. You can see this is for C out, this is for my C out. For my C out, it will be C bar AB plus C A bar B plus C A B bar plus C A B. So this is my carry out. Can I simplify it? Yes. I'm going to, where is my C bar? This one. Okay, let me try to check this one. AB. AB here, this and this. C plus C bar will be 1. Plus with my C A bar B plus A B bar. I'm going to have AB plus C. This will be XO AB. I guess so. Let me double check this one. Is it my answer is correct or not? See. And my sum here, you can try to get the SOP for your sum. Let me check my C out. I have 3 only. Salah simplify. Okay, if I come from my truth table to my K-maps, I'm going to get, here is AB. This one is C A. This one is CB. CA, CB. Okay. So this is my output. C, B, C, A. So finally, I'm going to get like this for my output C out. Just now I come to my C out, right? So I think this one might be I miss something here. This is CAB bar, correct? Here is C plus AB, C out. Here will be my C A bar B, correct? This one is my C bar AB. Then maybe I did wrong on the simplification. C bar. Where is my C bar? This is finished. Then I have this. Let me try to do it tak puas hati pula. This one I have C out. This morning I can derive it carefully. This will be my C bar AB. I look at this stage first. If you find if I did something wrong, please inform me, okay? For this part, I have my C, A bar B. For this part, I have C, A, B bar. And lastly, all one. Last C, A, B. And what happened? I'm going to get ABC, this one, AB, C plus C bar. I take this and this. I'm going to have C plus C bar. I'm going to get 1. And now here I have C, A bar B plus A B bar. So supposedly here it will be C A plus like this. But maybe this one there is something wrong in the rules of Boolean. Please check rules of Boolean what I'm going to get if I have A bar B plus A B bar instead of go for the XO. What will be here? There is no derivation from this. It will be A plus B. You all check ke tak? A bar B plus A B bar. Dalam rules ada tak? That 12 rules. Or maybe the law number 3. A B bar tak ada. Here will be This one is not. It can be B plus C. B plus C we assume as A bar B. Why this morning I didn't face any problem with this one? Is it correct? Oh, this out, C output. Zero, zero, zero. This is 0, 1, 1. 0, 1, 1. And 1, 0, 1. 1, 0, 1. 1, 1, 0. 1, 1, 1. So supposedly we will get directly, I think on the simplification, I did simplify with the correct term, incorrect. So here the easy part is using the KMap. Do the KMap, we can directly get AB here. In this one is our CA, and at this part we have CB. And this is all AND gate. And we add it together, we will get like this. Supposedly because this is from our KMap, the simplified version. Just now I cannot simplify my expression. I need to figure out. When you simplify your sum here, you will get 1, 2, 3, 4 product term. This is all the product term available here. Then you can summarize it. This one, that is the one that I get. Supposedly it will be A XOB C bar. Might be this one can be also simplified. Yeah, I need to find out on their algorithm. Okay, from here you can see you have this and this. It will be A and B. A, B bar, A bar B. So you have another XO. So it's slightly tricky, but it is all from the module. And from here, you will have the circuit. So you can draw the circuit, how the full adder look like. But throughout, this all just for you to derive. You just can remember, how the full adder look like and what is the expression for the CR, what is the expression for the sum, and what is basically look like inside the full adder. Full adder is additions of half adder with the OR. Add together. You can see here you have this circuit to be a half adder. You have another this circuit to have half adder, and the output you will add. Add is what? Using the OR gate. So this is in terms of diagram, block diagram. You have the half adder, and the output will be adding to the OR gate, and the output for your half adder, another half adder because 2, right? So you're going to add to the O. The input, this one will be your full adder. This is your full adder. And this is your input A, input B, and your input carry in. This is the output for the sum. This is the output for your carry out. So the combinations of two half adder with the OR gate make this become a full adder. So you just need to add, like if you have 1, 1, 0, you just add this number 1, 1, 0. You have 0 for sum, carry for 1. But instead you can go for directly put here 1, 1, 0. What we're getting for the CR, what we're getting for the sum. You can see here also 1 plus 0 plus 0. What you will get? 1 for the sum, carry out will be 0. 1, 1, 0. We will have 1 for, 0 for the sum, carry out will be 0. 1, 0, 1, we will have 0 for the sum, 1 for the carry. And instead, you can also try and put into your deed simulator and check the output. Is it correct or not for the addition? So that is the only things on your full and half adder. It is not very hard. You just need to adding. Tambah je kan, tambah which is additions. So it's slightly, I think, moderate lah, not too easy. Because you need to remember. After this, you're going to learn on adder, subtractor, which is on your parallel adder when you have the combinations of your full adder, etc. Two or more full adder, you're going to perform the parallel adder. This is the one that I show you just now, how the connection look like, but we're not going to cover it today. Today we just learn on basic half adder and full adder. After this, what you need to do is you have another about like 42 minutes. Yeah, 42 minutes or 43 minutes for you to do the lab 2. Please make sure you discuss with your friend. Bukan guna waktu ni untuk pergi, okay, jom kita rehat, esok kita ada kelas ataupun esok kita tak ada kelas, esok kita discuss lah. So you occupy this hours or this minute for you to discuss on the lab 2, and I'm going to be here in the G Meet. If you have any question, you can just knock me here, ask me any question. So any question before we can dismiss from this Google Meet? If no more question, for those who still not yet scan the QR code, you can scan. Jangan pergi ke mana-mana. You need to discuss with your friend. You boleh create WhatsApp group ataupun you can leave this Google Meet, but you go to discuss with your friend. Kalau you ada question, you masuk balik dalam link ni. Okay? Okay, thank you and good luck for your lab 2. Saya rasa you akan ada banyak soalan, especially for your part B. Okay. So, bye-bye.
Doktor,
Ya.
itu grup kita bagi, kita sendiri bagi ke macam mana? Ke
Eh,
doktor bagi?
saya baru bagi. Saya nak bagi. Saya tak bagi lagi Alamak.
Rasanya belum.
Okay, saya bagi dekat WhatsApp group. Bagi saya masa sikit. Kejap saya dah bagi dekat group.
Okay, thank you doktor.
Okay, kejap.
Doktor.
Ya.
Lab tu due date dia bila?
Seminggu.
Seminggu, okay.
Hari ni baru first class kan? Saya tak tunjuk lagi lab tu macam mana.
Belum.
Okay, kejap. Saya construct group dulu. 1 bagi 7. 7 banyak juga. 4 orang. Boleh lah. Dekat you punya e-learning pun saya tak buat lagi lab tu. Saya nak bayang. Dah siap dah. Itu hai. Lagi dekat group Cap 2. Okay, so all the group I already construct there. Let me check your e-learning. Proposal I already done. Dua. Zero nine. Tak masukkan lagi. Give me a minute. Wait, I want to copy from other section. All other section is already done. I didn't explain yet. So that we expand a bit on your lab 2. Okay, you can see my screen, right? So this is your e-learning. You can see there is a lab 2. It is grouping. You need to follow the group I already provided in your WhatsApp group. And the PDF is individual. Although you are doing in a grouping, I know that your answer is totally similar with others member only. With others member, but I wanted to submit individual because I already informed last time. Please don't believe with others. Don't depend on others. So please make sure you submit it individually. Although you know already, okay, doktor kan kita punya jawapan sama, kenapa nak upload lagi? So the first thing that you need to know that sometimes your friend also might forgot that they need to submit something, they need to do something for you. So that's why you need to submit by yourself. So later on, kalau you punya kawan tak submit, you tak boleh lah nak blame dia. Ataupun bila kawan you macam terlupa nak submit, you cannot blame her or him because you are the one that said, okay, kita bagi kat kau lah tugas, kau ketua, kau tolong submit. So you sendiri yang agree, tapi tiba-tiba kalau kawan you tak buat, you nak salah, nak gaduh apa. So before that happen, you tak salah ambil masa dalam 5 minit untuk upload by yourself, right? So that is the term of grouping but report individually. And what is the things on video here? So all members need to participate in the video. Okay, let's go to our lab. This is our lab. Lab 2, combination logic circuit design simulation using the simulator. You need to write your name, but maybe there is an empty space here. You can write your team member name so that I can see your answer should be similar with your team member only. Kalau tiba-tiba jawapan you punya team member lain, tapi you follow group lain punya answer, so dekat situ pun saya akan question kenapa lain, kenapa sama dengan group lain, so on. Okay, so Here the section that is okay, nothing big deals. And in your lab 2, there is 2 part, which is part A and also your part B. For your PDF, mana tadi? For your PDF, it's not problem at all for you to do because you need to submit all, okay? Semua sekali. Kalau dia kata draw indeed, you need to draw indeed, you screenshot ataupun you snap, you copy your answer untuk question number 1 dalam report you. Dalam report semua kena buat. But for the video, I tak tunjuk You all ni kalau tak nampak ke apa semua diam je. Tadi saya ulang balik. Baru nampak kan lab 2 ni kan? So for this lab 2, apa yang you perlu buat, you kena tulis nama dekat sini and then you kat sini ada empty space ataupun sebelah kiri ke sebelah kanan ke you put your name, you punya kawan-kawan punya nama, group member. Lepas tu there will be a part A and also part B. For your PDF report, you kena jawab semua. You need to answer all, okay? From part A until part B, you kena answer semua. And you can see here, sometimes there is a question that you need to make from Deed Simulator. Ada lagi beberapa question daripada Deed Simulator mana Deed Simulator, paste your circuit here. So you need to screenshot or snap using your phone and paste into your report, the PDF, okay? This one you need to draw by yourself. So for PDF report full from part A until part B. But for your video, what I want you to do is, you ada dalam 4 atau 5 orang dalam satu group. You have 4 or 5 person in a one group. You need to divide ataupun you bincang lah how you nak divide ke ataupun you nak sama-sama ke, as long as waktu you present all member are participate. Saya nak tengok muka. You need to open your camera because last time there is student gaduh-gaduh dekat dalam saya punya Gmeet class just because of the lab. Adalah seorang student tu dia ambil video from YouTube tapi daripada group member lain, maybe dia adalah group 1 tapi dia ambil video group 2. Dia ambil video tu and then dia hanya perlahankan suara that person dan dia tambah muzik sahaja. So dia tak buat apa-apa, dia just buat editing the video. So kawan-kawan dia pula kenal pula dengan group 2 tu. So diorang bergaduh, diorang cakap kenapa ambil copy semua. Kalau you nak copy, you nak follow exactly daripada team lain, it's okay. Tapi you are the one that present. You tirulah gaya dia ke, tapi you punya suara, you punya circuit sendiri, you punya komputer sendiri. So that is the problem. That's why nanti you discuss with your friend how you going to solve the video. Sama ada you nak buat presentation dalam Google Meet ataupun you divide soalan nombor 1 siapa buat, soalan nombor 2 siapa buat, soalan nombor 3 siapa buat. And then you need to merge the video. Dia tak boleh hantar spread-spread ya. Satu video je saya nak. Satu video tu dah combine semua. And apa soalan yang you kena present is depend on you. You nak present soalan nombor 5 sahaja ke? You nak present soalan B sahaja ke? Tapi soalan yang simple-simple macam drawing ni janganlah pula sebab semua orang macam mana nak present, which is you just present the copy paste of the circuit, right? So please make sure you contribute something. It's better for like go for one by one question, one person just for presenting. Bukannya you nak daripada you draw from zero, you just discuss the answer. Kenapa you jawab macam ni? Kenapa you punya truth table macam ni? Kalau 0000, output dia apa? So you just explain in terms of that things, not explain how to do. Okay? Ada question tak untuk you punya lab 2? So after this, you go and meet your friend first. Try to go through your lab 2, discuss together. And then if you have any question, you can just directly ask me here. Is it okay?
Okay dah.
Okay, so the duration is 1 week until next week Selasa, Tuesday. Yes. So you can dismiss and thank you for your participation. Anything you can just go back to this Gmail to ask me any question, okay? Stay safe and bye-bye.
Thank you, Doctor. Stay safe too.
Thank you, Doctor.
Thank you, Doctor.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, Doctor.
Terima kasih.
Thank you, Doctor.
Terima kasih, Doktor.
Yeah.
Yang soalan tu kan untuk present video kan, kita kena present untuk semua soalan ke ataupun pilih je mana-mana?
You pilih mana-mana tapi as long as semua, kalau 4 orang kena present. Janganlah soalan yang sama you present, soalan nombor 1 you kata okay saya copy paste.
Okay, faham. Jadi kalau 4 orang 4 soalan je lah. Okay tak?
Boleh.
Okay, baik. Thank you.
Okay, sama.
Video tak kisah berapa minit?
Tak kisah tapi saya tak nak panjang.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you, Doctor.
Terima kasih.
Thank you, Doctor.
Okay, thank you.